In a leafy forest, Parrot loved to talk. He repeated everything. Monkey told Tortoise, "I'm planning a surprise." Monkey is planning a surprise.
Oh no, it's ruined.
Later, Snake hid for a trick. Snake is hiding. Parrot, not again. Parrot drooped. I didn't mean to spoil it. Talking is fun, said Owl, but listening is wise. Parrot learned to listen and helped make the next party extra special in silence. Moral: talking is good, but knowing when to talk is even better.